I liked my smile before, but I love my smile now. So to compare how my smile looks now with how my smile looked before, take a look at this video that I shot a year ago. There are a lot of choices you can make as far as anti-aging. You can have cosmetic surgery, you can have things injected. There are tons of treatments, and I believe that you are entitled to do whichever treatments you feel are right for you. The one thing I do feel is that you can't do all of them. We each will make our own choices and select a few things that matter to us. I found that my smile aged me. Ever since I let my hair go with its natural silver color, my teeth have just looked yellow. They looked yellow and they looked dingy. And I found that I really wanted to be able to wear white. And so I decided to invest in my smile. I got veneers on my teeth about 25 years ago. Made a big difference in my career. I had teeth that were not a pretty shape, even though I had orthodontia, and they just looked too small. Small teeth is one of the things that can age you, because as we get older, we wear our teeth down. And when those teeth get worn down, we don't realize it, but that sends an automatic cue to anybody who's looking at us that we are of a certain age where our teeth are now worn down. How can a smile be aging to a person?
By many factors. The first thing is the color. As we age, the teeth become darker, and that gives us the appearance of looking old. And the other thing is that the arrangement and orientation of the teeth. If you have too many like crooked teeth, that also can show that we are aging. And when we fix both of those concerns, like make them brighter, lighter to the level that is reasonable, and also make them more look symmetrical and arranged, that gives the appearance of youth, and people look much younger.
It went in several stages. First, I went in and we did all of the prep work. We made sure that I had any cavities taken care of. We made sure that my gums were taken care of. I had all of the deep cleaning, all of those things done. You want your mouth to be in the best shape that you possibly can have it in before you start a cosmetic procedure like this. We spent a day where we just did impressions of my existing teeth.
Dr. Bina, do you want this or you don't want it?
Yes.
Do you want your face? Let's protect your eyes. Thank you. It's in your eyes. You can't see it? You can't see it. How's that?
Okay, so we're going to take impression right now. We call it impression, but actually mold of your lower teeth first.
Okay.
And then upper teeth. Okay,
A couple tissues for you. Should you need them?
To straighten up the
Not so bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is the mold, is the impression. We send it to the lab to make a cast model.
We took photographs of my existing smile, and then they have a service called Smileography where they were able to digitally create my teeth. And then I could see what I would look like with the teeth being a little bit different and make any corrections and adjustments that I felt were necessary. That was really a big help in deciding what to do. I had originally wanted my teeth to be even whiter than they are. They talked me out of it. They said, no, you really don't want your teeth to be the brightest white they possibly can. I'm like, no, I want them to be the brightest white. I'm really glad that they talked me out of it, because I do feel that my smile is incredibly white. And if it was whiter than this, I think that would be not good. So when your dentist tells you you might want to consider a shade that is a little less bright, listen to them. They know what they're talking about. You don't want to have teeth that look too solid, like chiclets. You want them to have some translucency built in, which I did. And that was something else that my dentist talked to me about. The first day when I went in, where they removed the existing veneers and filed the teeth down, you can see in the mold what my teeth looked like ground down. For vanity reasons, no, I did not take any pictures to share with you of what I looked like with my teeth ground down. Sorry about that, but you wouldn't, much as you want to see them, you wouldn't want to take them either. So here is the picture of the mold showing what my teeth looked like ground down. That was a big day when I had my teeth ground down. I was in the dentist chair for about 7 hours. I took a Valium that day. Not because I was especially nervous, but I get antsy sitting in a chair for a long time, and I knew that that Valium was going to keep my butt in that chair and go through what I needed to get through. They gave me temporary teeth, which felt weird. They felt bumpy and lumpy and thick and awkward. They did not look lumpy and bumpy and thick and awkward. In fact, I booked a national TV commercial while I had those temporary teeth. So if you happen to catch me in the overstock spot, my teeth were in the full-on temps right then, and nobody noticed. So that was a relief. On the big day, I did not take a Valium, and I regret that. I don't know why I somehow imagined that it was going to take less time. It did not take less time. It was 7 hours in the dentist chair. Nothing was especially painful because they numb you up, but after the new veneers were in place, my mouth was a little tired. It was a little sore from having been worked on for so many hours. So I took some aspirin, or Advil as the case may be. On the big day, kind of fun to go in and see your new teeth just sitting there in a case. Very strange.
Yes.
We're ready.
Hello.
Hello, let's do this. It was a lengthy process getting them put on. I really don't want to have to go through that again, but I'm very glad that I did. I think that my smile is really, really perfect now. I am very pleased with it. I love how it has shifted the focus on my face. You don't notice the wrinkles so much now. I have noticed a difference in the way people look at me and the way people respond to me. And I think it took about 5 years off of my age, and I'm good with that. I don't need to be 25 years younger. I like my wrinkles, I like my gray hair, and now, thanks to Dr. Bina, I absolutely 100% love my smile. Getting a mouthful of veneers is not inexpensive. It cost more than my car. It cost a lot more than my car. But my car is something that I only have for a few years, and my smile is going to be with me for the rest of my life. And so I consider it a worthwhile investment. I decided I'm comfortable with my wrinkles. I did not desire a facelift. I did not desire an eye lift yet. I'm very fortunate in that my dentist, Dr. Bina, does cosmetic dentistry. Not all dentists specialize in it, and he has a team of amazing people who are helping out. I met the artist who crafted my teeth. I met the artist who designed my teeth. I had so many people working with me to help me create the smile of my dreams. If you feel like your smile is holding you back, if your smile is making you look older than you want to look, or if you feel like your smile is just ready for a freshening up, I strongly encourage you to speak to your dentist about it. Or if you're in the Los Angeles area, come see Dr. Isaac Bina. I think he did a terrific job for me. Not everyone needs veneers. Some people may be happy with just getting their teeth bleached. If that had been an option for me, it's something I certainly would have considered. It just wasn't an option because I already had the veneers. But I think there are a lot of ways that you can improve your smile. You can get the Invisalign, you can get the braces, you can get bleaching kits. There's so many ways that you can improve your smile, and it's just one of the many ways that you can fight this battle against aging while simultaneously accepting that you will age. But why not look your absolute best? Thank you so much for watching. I love you bunches. I will drop all the information for Dr. Bina down below. And I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.